Yes, how to check your Google AdSense balance. A lot of people, they keep asking this question, like how can I know if I got money in my account or not? Normally in YouTube, when you create your account, there was something called monetization. After you reach 4,000 watching hour and 1,000 subscriber, from that time YouTube, you are going to log in your Google account again, put that 4-digit number, then from that time you will start making money through YouTube. So making money on YouTube is not a problem, but you have to know like how much YouTube they pay you. A lot of people, they say like if you get even £1 or £2 or £3, you can just go and withdraw. On YouTube, that is totally different. YouTube, they go and balance that. They know when you reach this target of money, on that time you can withdraw your money. Even it's like 1 cent remain to that balance, YouTube, they're not going to allow you to withdraw that money. So why they do that? The reason they do that is because people, they live different country. So what they do, you have to reach $100. Once you reach $100, that time you can withdraw your money. If you go million, you can withdraw 1 million on that time. If you go 3 million, you can withdraw that 3 million. But first you have to reach that $100. Before $100, if you go even 999, they are not going to allow you to withdraw that money until you reach that $100. So why we go that, I'm going to show you all those tips, guys, how you can check your balance, how much you got on your account, and when do you think that you can just withdraw. YouTube, they do different. Like if you make money on January, you can withdraw that money of January, not February. You'd withdraw that money of January on March, because they have to put 1 month between this other months. So the money you make on February, you are not going to withdraw on March, you are going to withdraw on April. That's how you can just withdraw your money. So guys, we are going to see how you can just withdraw your money. I'm going to show you guys, and make sure all the time to check your balance. If you go like $100, you can withdraw. If you go less than that, they're not going to allow you to withdraw your money. You go straight away, you see here, this is a balance, but before that, it's going to show you to the top. Here is home, add, site, privacy and a message, brand and a safety, AdSense for YouTube, blocking control, content report, optimization. This is not going to show, policy, payment info and verification, all those things. Once you came here, you have to click on your payment. When you click to the payment like this, is going to tell you, going to ask you Google AdSense, blocking content report, all this. These are the policy. So what you do when you came here on content, you check all these things. You don't need it, but what we need the balance. As long as we need the balance, we go to where it say the balance. We go to the payment. After payment, we go here to payment info. We click here to the payment info, all document, whatever they want passport, driver license, ID, they ask you all those things. If you have, yes. If you don't have, you have to get ready. I came here to the payment info. When I came to the payment info, it's going to show me here, because mine is not, I don't make money on this one. But here you came to verify check. You came here to verify check. You have to check here, because the reason they put this one, confirm your personal information to get your account ready to receive payment. Because me, I don't have that, because this channel is not monetized, so I'm not going to get that. But you can check from here. After that, you send all your details. After when you send your all detail, your bank detail or your passport or what's calling, all those documents, because the document they are going to ask you, they need this one. They ask you how to address verification works. So this is what they are going to ask you. When they get this one, they will ask you this one, number 1, number 2, number 3. You see all these 4. So we start with number 1. Number 1, they say you enter your payment address in AdSense. When you are active your account, you add that one. After that, they send a verification code, which is 4 digits, or no, which is 6 digits. So when they send this one, you have to go and log in. After that, they came here. If we asked you to verify your identity, we will not be sent the PIN until you send the verification successful. Until they know they get that verification code, they are not going to send the PIN. Number 3, they say it is usually take 3 weeks for PIN manually arrive. If you have received your PIN email 3 weeks, please request a replacement. If you didn't receive within 3 weeks, you have to request another one. Number 4, they say when you receive your PIN email, follow this step: verification, payment address immediately. You have to sign in your Google AdSense. After that, click payment, verify, check, enter your PIN. After when you enter your PIN, you go to appear the PIN email. You go to appear PIN email. After that, you came here to the D, because it's A, B, C, D. You came here to click submit. When you submit, then you have to do here, your payment address is now verified. You will be paid. That's what they're going to say. You will be paid out when your account balance reach the payment threshold, as long as there's a hold on your account and you are in appliance with the AdSense program policy. When you are in AdSense program policy, that time they will go to start sending your money. Then they say here, address verification timeline. You will have 4 months from the date your PIN is generated to complete the address verification. If you haven't received your payment address, 4 months we will stop showing on your ad. So if you didn't send your verification and they do everything, then they might stop your AdSense again. If we can't verify your address due to the fundamental activities associated with that address, then what they are going to do, if that address you provided has been associated with fundamental activity, you will need to change your payment address to new valid postcode address that we receive your PIN. Your new address must be different from your previous one, so they have to be different. After your address verified, you can request the PIN. That's why they say you can request the PIN. You put your login, then you go to the payment, you verify payment, you click resend PIN. Then after that, they are going to send. So guys, this is how you are going to request your AdSense payment. Normally people, and if you want to know the balance, all this thing, it's more important if you're a YouTuber all the time to check what's going on your YouTube channel, because you never know what is good and what's bad. So make sure all the time check your account, is everything is valid, then that time you can continue. But make sure the address you are going to use to your YouTube, so must be that you are living, or you just trust that person, because once they send that verification code to that address, then the PIN is going to go straight to that address. And if you are not the one who live in there and the person get that link, what's calling that post, then it don't want to give to you, you might lose your channel, because they are not going to keep sending. They will send one time, they will send second time, again they are not going to keep sending. So later on that time, they might tell you, no way we are going to send that more than 3 times to 4 times. So make sure all the time to check your address, and you can read all this detail anytime you get time. Go past, read all the time, or search on your account to the analyst Google AdSense is going to tell you everything. Go to your Google, type Google AdSense, is going to tell you everything. Thank you very much guys. Please if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on notification bell for more updated video. You can go also and check my last video guys, why YouTube they don't recommend your video, why you are watching how I start dropping, all those things guys. I've already did those video, and 1 to 2 video they might go and solve your problem. Thank you very much guys. See you next video. Bye bye.